Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, December 5, 2024. Government has declared a state of public emergency for the St. Andrews South Police Division and sections of the St. Andrews Central Police Division. According to a release from the Office of the Prime Minister OPM, it's in response to a significant increase in violent criminal activities within these areas. Of note are the communities of Waltham Park Road, Maxfield Avenue, and Waterhouse, which have been identified as hotspots for gang-related warfare. The OPM says this poses public safety risks to residents, commuters, and bystanders, given their use as public thoroughfares, adding that the current level of violence and criminal activity exceeds the capacity of standard policing measures to restore public order. The enhanced security measure is expected to give the police, working with the military, room to disrupt criminal networks, apprehend perpetrators, and create an environment conducive to sustainable peace. While this is being pursued, government has also committed to engaging with stakeholders to address the root causes of violence in these communities and establish long-term solutions. The Constitutional Amendment Republic of Jamaica bill could be tabled in Parliament as early as next week. Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs Marlene Malahoo Fort gave that update in a statement to the House of Representatives on Tuesday. The bill aims to transition Jamaica from a constitutional monarchy into a republic by replacing the British monarch with a Jamaican president as the country's formal head of state.
When passed into law, the bill will allow for the Constitution of Jamaica to be put in proper form as the supreme law of the land. The bill proposes to strengthen the alteration mechanism of the Constitution to enable more efficient use of legislative time and greater ease in achieving other agreed reform goals without compromising the guardrails.
Once the legislation completes the parliamentary process, it will be subject to a national referendum, giving the people of Jamaica the final say on the country's future direction.
We have not had a referendum in independent Jamaica. And there are talks all over of the challenges that the holding of a referendum pose. But there is no escaping the approval of the people in order to make the changes to achieve the agreed national goals.
A state-of-the-art community cultural center is being built in Olympic Gardens in the Kingston 11 area. Member of Parliament for the constituency, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, was on hand for Wednesday's groundbreaking to kickstart the project. Construction of the $127 million multi-purpose building is being financed by the JIS Fund, and the work is projected to take place over a 9-month period. Dr. Holness says the development is to facilitate a wide range of activities without restrictions. Upgrades will include a playground for children and a paved multi-purpose court.
So this entire area will become effectively the community sports center and civic center. That's the plan for the entire area.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has unveiled a series of development projects for the Olympic Gardens community in his West Central St. Andrew constituency. Among the initiatives planned is a sewer project for Olympic Way.
This is necessary to be done to relieve the problem that exists in Bay Farm Villa, where they constantly have sewage being backed up, in Olympic Court, where they too also have a sewage problem, in the compound area, and other areas that are tied into the current sewer. Now, once that is in place, all the properties along Olympic Way and the roads leading off come into play for development.
Other initiatives set to come on stream for the area include the handover of houses at St. Paul's Lane and groundbreaking for a 20-room golden-aged home in the constituency.
There are many elderly persons in our constituency that they just don't have anywhere to live. It is just the kindness of community care. People who say, all right, let me look out for Miss Mama, that they have food to eat and somewhere to live.
The Olympic Gardens Civic Center, which was built 15 years ago, will be renovated to house training sessions for the young people in the community to help them find viable work. Government has launched the groundbreaking Just Transition Project, designed to both address climate change and create sustainable jobs, safeguard workers' rights, and foster fair and inclusive growth. The two-year initiative was launched during the Ministry of Labour and Social Security's Regional Labour Talk Roadshow held in St. Anne recently. It brings together the International Labour Organization ILO and local stakeholders to foster collaboration and implement policies that infuse climate action with decent work principles.
And take the steps to support the best practices and support the working conditions that allow for us to not only have the best output and productivity, but to protect this planet that we have.
And finally, Tax Administration Jamaica TAJ says the issue affecting timely payments to some successful applicants for the government's reverse income tax credit, RITC, should be resolved within the next 3 business days. TAJ has advised that it is currently in dialogue with the Accountant General's Department AGD about the matter and is also contacting the affected individuals to inform them of the delay. Applicants not seeing their $20,000 one-time payment in their bank accounts may submit queries by calling 888-TAXBACK. That's 888-829-2225 or emailing taxback@taj.gov.jm. Meanwhile, eligible individuals who have not yet submitted their applications are reminded that the deadline has been extended to Friday, December 13. Applications can be submitted via the Tax Authority's portal at jamaicatax.gov.jm, which hosts a reverse income tax credit hub. The process of application to disbursement spans a minimum of 4 weeks from the time a confirmed application is submitted. Beneficiaries will receive a notification via SMS text message or email advising when the disbursement is made to the financial institution or remittance agency of their choice. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry.